So guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's episode 8 of This Week at NLD. Let's get on with it.
So, first job of the week, we have got some printing to do. The sketchiest known to man. Oh god. So, as I said, we're off to, it's actually Detailing Kings in Market Drayton. They also do window tinting, wrapping and tuning. So we're just in the process of printing some new graphics for them. But this one had a random cut in the design. So we're going to change that and recut it. So that's the first print done. We've done the Tint Kings, that's the old one. And we've also got Detailing Kings. This is to go in their new shop. And we're just doing some little ones. So we've got, I don't know if you can see that. So we're just doing some small ones to put on their van. So we're halfway through Monday and Callum is making fantastic progress on the Mini Cooper that you see behind me. It is in for our level 1 detail as well as full front end paint protection film and an additional layer of Ceramic Pro 9H, which will give this more than 5 years protection. And the colour on it is absolutely fantastic. Can't wait to show you this in the sun once we get it done outside. So on the Mini, Callum's using a Cartec 9000 with a orange Lake Country, I think it's like an all-in-one pad. So it's delivering some good results. So the back of the car is getting 2 layers of 9H, 1 layer of top coat, and then the front of the car is getting Xpel's Ultimate Plus paint protection film. So because this JCW is having the full front end, we're going to be removing the badge, the grille, and then also the 2 washer jets, just to give it a nice clean install and no or minimal edges. So let's take this off. So it's now Tuesday and the car is all loaded up. We're on our way to Market Drayton to help our friends over at the Detailing Kings with a very special project. So check this out. And while we're away, Callum will be finishing off the ceramic coatings on the Mini JCW, ready for PPF tomorrow. Halfway to Detailing Kings, and the project that we're going to be working on with has just got even bigger. We can't wait to show you the end result. It's going to be absolutely fantastic.
So guys, we've just finished the hour-and-a-half trip up to Market Drayton, and as you can see, we've just arrived at Detailing Kings' studio. So Toby's in there at the moment, helping them clean up the car, getting it ready so we can start applying the PPF. But as I mentioned, we are here just to help them out. So if you have a look, this is their studio. It's in a nice area, bunch of new builds. This is the team we're helping, Detailing Kings. So yeah, next step for us is to get inside, get the car prepped, start applying the PPF.
So the Mini is now complete. It has had the full front end of Xpel paint protection film with Ceramic Pro coatings, 2 layers of 9H, 1 layer of top coat over the rest of the vehicle. So let's take a quick look.
So guys, what's going on? You're back with me again now. Toby's passed it back over, so let's show you what's been happening. Right, so as Toby mentioned, the Mini Cooper's all done now. I'll put some nice B-roll over the screen now just to show you what we've done to that. That was in for PPF on the front end as well as our level 1 protection package. So that's now gone, it's looking fantastic. Other than the Mini Cooper, this Porsche Carrera S is just, well, has been dropped off by the customer earlier on. So this has had our level 1 protection package before. But we're actually hosting a Porsche meet this Sunday, so this is going to be here in the studio for the customer when he comes down on Sunday. So we're going to get it nice and clean for him, put it under the lights, then the rest of the Porsche owners can see the work that we do. Other than the Porsche Carrera S, there's a transporter inside, so let's go show you that. Right guys, so this is the transporter that we've got in the moment. So this is in for our sign writing removal as well as a single stage paint correction. So Callum spent a long time trying to get this sign writing off the side of this transporter, as you can see. But now they've started the single stage paint correction, so it's starting to look a lot better already. But if you look here, you can see all the imperfections. This is what it looks like before we start the paint correction. Then if I go around this side, if you look where the lights are, you can see there's nowhere near as much marring as there was on the other side. So that's the sort of aim with our single stage paint correction. They've still got a lot to do on it, but it's looking a lot better already. So guys, thank you for watching episode 8 at This Week at NLD. If you are new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as clicking that bell icon to get notified when we upload. If you need any detailing products, head over to the store or click the link in the description, and we'll see you in next week's video. Thank you.